The Amazing Train Show about?
The great trains that are on the Real Thomas.
On the Real Thomas, okay. He's got 3 little circles lined up with 3 trains on each track. Very cool.
And you can uncouple them.
Oh, you can uncouple them?
And then go that way.
Oh, okay. Go
And,
the other way.
and go that way.
Okay.
This one is Friend Doc's one.
Brendam Dax? Okay. Oh,
Sometimes they fell over
yeah.
because the tornadoes come near them.
Oh, tornado.
Well, it's just pretend one.
Okay.
It's not really scary.
Okay.
You have to put this one here for the train to go more faster.
Okay.
You come. We know what put a leg on top of here, so the trains can be more fascinating.
Ooh. Wow, you got 2 of them going.
This is Cole Thomas.
Cole Thomas.
This truckles on this one.
How old are you?
4.
What's your favorite thing?